Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A42 and let me show you how to activate image stabilization on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app and now let's tap on the settings icon in the left upper corner. Now we have to find the video section, which is right here, and at the very bottom of it we've got the video stabilization option, which is now turned off. If you want to turn it on, just tap on it. And actually that's it. From now on the stabilization will be applied, so it means that all the videos which you will record will not be as shaky as they will be without this option. Of course, you can turn it off by tapping on the switcher again. So actually, that's all. This is how to enable video stabilization in your Samsung Galaxy A42. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.